What up, everybody? It is Jay Simkovitz here. Today, I'm doing a challenge. Okay? But before I do the challenge, let me talk about something. Everyone's been doing the Tide Pod challenge. Okay? Like, they shove the Tide Pod in their mouth and they eat it and everything goes down their throat and everything. Or it gets into their mouth. They don't like the taste. They spit it out and it just or it makes them throw up, whichever way comes first. I mean, really. So, if you think that is the best challenge, well, you are wrong. There is an even better one that I've seen. Even one better than you will ever think of. Okay? Let me explain what it is. It is taking a shot glass of dishwasher soap and, well, eating it. I'm going to eat the whole thing of this and right down my throat. Right down. It's going down. It's going all the way down. Okay? So, to good health, good luck, and good riddance. Are you crazy? I would never do that. I would never, ever, 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 ever drink dishwasher detergent. Ever. That is crazy. Okay? It is just plain wrong to do this. It is just plain wrong to put chemicals into your body that can harm you, that can kill you. That is wrong. Don't ever try this at home. Don't ever eat a Tide Pod. Don't ever eat dishwasher detergent from a shot glass. Don't ever do that. Please do not do that. You are going to harm your body. You are going to you're just going to harm yourself. Then you might have to go to the hospital or you might have to throw up a lot of stuff that you don't want. You could hurt yourself inside. You really don't want to do that. You really just want to not eat this or even eat a Tide Pod or even try it or even stick it in your mouth because it will melt with water. That's the whole point of a Tide Pod, so that it breaks when it's in liquid. In water, in something that will make it dissolve. In your mouth, it will dissolve. It will go down your throat. You will swallow it. You will harm yourself. Please, for the love of God, please do not do the Tide Pod challenge. Please do not eat liquid drink liquid or even eat the dishwasher detergent like this. Please don't ever. It is the foolish, most insane, stupidest thing you could ever do. Please don't. I am telling you not to do it. Do not do it. Please don't.